As a reminder, business cannot pay home stars to alter or remove any of their reviews. Each review that comes in goes under comprehensive review moderation to avoid fraudulent or fake reviews. Looking for inspiration for your next window covering? Look no further than our sample product and service list for Canadian custom-made shutters, blinds, and window shades. Whether you're looking to give your home a stylish makeover or want to create a professional ambiance in your office space, we've got you covered. Our extensive range of window coverings is designed to enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of any space. Explore our selection today and discover the perfect window treatments for your needs. Visit our picture gallery at diamondcustomshutters.ca and save 25% off our Canadian custom-made zebra blinds, zebra shades and shutters for a limited time. Please like, share, subscribe and discover more inside the description area or contact us at 416-571-3315. Have a great day.